windmill. Oh no, don't break it.
He's gonna eat it.
He's gonna eat it.
Oh my gosh, how funny.
Oh, that is too cute.
Bad groundhog.
You're eating the windmill. Do you see him, Michael? Go take it, Michael. Go take it from him.
He can't get it down his hole. He'll have to drop it. He might break it though.
Yeah,
oh my
he's
gosh.
gonna break it.
What a silly little animal. Ezra, look at him.
He's so cute, so. Look at him. Right there, Liz.
He's so funny.
I'll make sure you send me that picture with him with that.
Oh no, he's really trying to eat it.
He's trying to eat it, you silly goose. Look at him. Ezra, what's the groundhog doing? Tell him that's Ezra's windmill. Oh, I'm going to go take it from him. How dare you? My granddaughter enjoys that.
That's
Here, Michael,
really
grab the
funny.
baby. I'm going. That's it.
He's ripping it apart. Yeah, you better
He
grab
is.
it.
Here, Michael.
Oh, he's running away with it.
He is?
Better
Oh, no,
grab
he's
him.
not. Oh, no. Hey, Nooney's coming. Nooney's coming.
That's really funny.
Oh. Baby's got some snuts.